Welcome guys, welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to talk about the follow-up FTM FANTOM. And what a run from FANTOM, guys. Since I made the TA, we've run up 231%. Alright, that is just insane how much money we can make in this space in a short period of time. Also, 3 days ago I made a TA for a continuation that we will hit $3. If you haven't seen it, guys, it's just here. I said afterwards we will need some kind of pullback, which we did, and then go up to the upside and hit my target of $3. It overextended over $3 because I can never predict any top, right? You just can't predict this kind of market. You can only make TA with probability. This was a high probability, as you guys can see here. I made the TA. Go watch this video if you have not. I mean, we have been killing it, especially in my Telegram group, all for free. I'm showing and teaching people all of this, all for free, guys. So if you're not a member on Telegram or a subscriber yet, subscribe to my channel and join Telegram. This can be life-changing money for some people if they learn to trade proper TA, guys. Like I said before, I'm seeing this every day in my Telegram. People making tens of thousands of money just by trading. And these people are brand new traders, never traded, just hold their money, hold their token, all the way up, all the way down. However, because they're learning proper TA, they're actually earning profit now. And if they can, you can. Subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram group, and I will do my best, guys, to help you all for free. Also, guys, there are becoming a lot of scammers with my logo and name and so on. If they offer you money or tell you about private keys, anything like that, just be aware it's a scam. I will never ask for money. Everything I do is for free. I will never ask for a private key. I will never send you money like that. I will never receive money. So just ignore it, delete them, because it's hard to delete all the comments. They're just like goddamn flies. They're just coming back every time I ban them or delete them. They're just going to come back. So be careful, be cautious, guys. Anyway, guys, enough of that. Let's go straight into the TA of FTM. Just look how beautiful this chart unfolded, guys. Alright, we went down and we hit the yellow fib level, which was 0.382 as we were anticipated. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it, guys, because we were anticipating the support, and as soon as it hit the support, it made a higher high, and then it just had a continuation to $3 as we were expecting, guys. So this was a high probability trade, which we profited with 83%. Now what I'm expecting and what I'm seeing is we still have the bearish divergence that is actually still valid. Before we go over the yellow area at the RSI, when we go over that, the bearish divergence get invalidated, right? But as you guys see, it hitting the bearish divergence, and just getting rejected every time right now. So this means that the price is going down. It is making a small pullback, but this is actually not unhealthy. This is healthy because it's making a bull flag at the moment. I thought that the price will be a bigger sell-off. People will lock profit, but at the moment people are very excited. So just let me remind you of this again. We are still very excited, right? We are thrilled, right? We're not in a euphoria state yet. We are going up there, but I believe we still have some movement to the upside if Bitcoin, of course, holds and the Bitcoin dominance and so on goes down. But for the moment, we still have a great run. And the question is, how far can we go, right? Because we don't want to lose our profit. So the best thing you can do without giving any financial advice is, of course, what I'm teaching in my Telegram group. Again, guys, you can join it all for free, is to take some profit up the way. There's nothing wrong with taking profit. You are securing your money, your asset, because if you're not taking profit, guys, someone else will. Bet your ass someone else will. If I had a lot of money in FTM, I don't have it at the moment, but I will make sure to sell at least 25%, something like that, just to make sure that my money is safe. Because if it does do these healthy pullback, we can actually buy back some cheaper price and see another leg to the upside, right? So in my opinion, just be cautious again. So again, guys, how far can we go? If we look at the bearish divergence, if we look at the bearish scenario, right? We have the bearish divergence in the RSI and in the price action, which means we will see some kind of pullback, which we are seeing at the moment. People are locking their profit. slowly, not that fast, right? But we are seeing increased volume, right? We just need to see this bar volume, but this isn't 4 hour. I will see in daily too. It is going more on the volumes. All in all, this is looking pretty good, right? We are seeing our side, it is getting oversold. That is good. We need to go lower. So if we can go lower like this, right? If we can go do something like that, that would be great. If we do something like that, that would be awesome, right? So, and in our TSV, seeing volume, great again. We are seeing still a good momentum in the MACD. So at the moment, FTM is still looking good. It is, of course, in the side overbought. All right. So this right there, if you guys are seeing, this is a dangerous area, guys. So be cautious there. We will see some kind of pullback. I need to see something like this, right? That it goes down. Again, do this and do something like that. And something like that. That will be great. Maybe something like this. That will be very good. And MACD do something like that. All right. If we see this scenario, that is a very, very bullish scenario. That means we have another leg up to the upside. All right. We have another run to the upside. So the question is, how far can we still go up? So what we can do, guys, is to use FIB tool, because as a technical analyst, it is hard to know if there will be a continuation because we have no confirmation, right? We have no confirmation. We can read the chart, but we have no formation yet to have a confirmation. We need this. We need to work with probability. So what we need to do is we take our FIB level, take the bottom right here to the top, and then we will see where the bottom will be, right around 2.9 to FIB level 6.5. That is the golden pocket area. We can go all the way here. The FIB level is saying, right? But we have a strong support at 2.98. All right. So around this area, let me just show you. Around this area, we have actually a good support, right? Which is also called a supply. Let me just see. Supply zone, which is a support, right? So at this area, we will have a great support. So we want this to go down. Guys, this is healthy. This is good. Nothing goes just up straight, because everything that just go up straight in a one straight line will go a lot harder back down. So this is actually pretty healthy. So we need to first off to go down, all right, before we can go up. So we need this to hold and do something like that. Then we can have some kind of bull flag. You guys see some kind of bull flag. This will be extremely bullish, all right? And all of this combined will just have a higher probability for upside. Now, without any confirmation of a falling wedge, right, it is hard to measure the price, but we can zoom out and see that Phantom is in an up channel. So we can take and measure it like this and take it up, all right? That is another confirmation, and we will see around $3.9, almost $4. So that is a confirmation, but if we get, like I said, a falling wedge, those will be a lot bigger, guys, because look, then we can measure it almost all the way. Yeah, that is actually, I know that's not confirmation. All the way around here to here. And then we can take it over here, around here. Then we get around the same, a bit more, around 4.2. That will be a second target. But we need to see confirmation, guys. This is not valid yet. And if we take another FIB tool, which is called, I like this FIB tool, it's called trend-based FIB extension. I've been talking about a lot about this in my Telegram group. So if we take from the low here to the high here to the low here, we can see it actually matching also with the $3.9 range and exactly at $3.28. All right. So we can anticipate. I don't want to say there's a high probability for it. We need to see more confirmation, but we can anticipate around a 55% chance that we can see more upside and we can see these prices. Just be cautious, guys, because people are getting extreme greedy. And when people are extreme greedy, you have to be fearful, guys. I sold some of my position, 25% and so on, but I'm not giving any financial advice. Just saying be really careful, guys. If you look at Bitcoin price, it is actually looking good, all right? I'm not going to go into detail on the Bitcoin price, but it is making some kind of bull flag. It is making also bearish divergence. I will talk about Bitcoin in another video. So if you look at, that is not what I want to look at. That is definitely not what I will look at. Let me just show you guys what I want to look at. There we go. It will be a lot easier for you. And if you remove the volume, There we go. Yeah, there we go, guys. Sorry about that. And a line. There we go. Blue line. Beautiful. So if we look at the Bitcoin dominance, it did have a rising wedge and it did fall down. It did not fall down to my area, which is to 42%. So keep an eye on that. If this keep falling, this will be an altcoin explosion. So we want this to fall. All right, guys. We can see the altcoin are breaking out. This, look how beautiful TA is. I mean, we can clearly see something like this, right? We can see that the Bitcoin dominance is falling and the altcoins and Ethereum dominance is going up because the price, they are outperforming Bitcoin. And the stablecoin, just look at that, it's going down slowly. The reason it's going down slowly is because they are getting converted over to altcoins and Ethereum. So far, so good. It's looking good. Just keep an eye on this to be safe, guys. And the last thing, guys, which I like at the moment, what I'm seeing is we are seeing a 1, 2, and potential 3-leg way up. All right, guys, let me just show you. I don't know if you guys can see. Do you guys see it's going down like this, up, down, and up like a parabolic movement? All right, and that's the third leg. The third leg, you usually say this is the last leg before it will correct itself, right? So again, we can see it might go over to around the $4 area, guys. Keep an eye on this, guys. Something else we can use as a confirmation is the volume, guys. I am liking the volume. Let me just show you. Look at the volume today, all right? It's not that impressive, to be honest, but it is going over. We just need to have a continuation of this volume. People need to throw more in. We need more liquidity in FTM, but the volume will decrease slowly. The sell volume will increase instead, because the price will decrease slowly like this when the third leg is coming. So guys, it will be like ready for a new explosion. All right, keep an eye on that. Again, guys, just keep an eye on this, because I hate when things in extreme greed. People are just in this kind of state, and I don't like that. That is a dangerous area for me as a trader, because I don't want to lose my money because of people's emotions are unstable. So yeah, guys, just be careful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like my content, subscribe to the channel, hit a like, comment anything you like, and of course, join our free Telegram group. See you in the Telegram group.